how to buy official Trump token on Raydium. So this token came under the symbol of Trump. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. Now, to be able to buy this token on Raydium, what you need to do here, find the token on CoinMarketCap, go and click on markets. Here, as you can see, we'll see these exchange platforms and decentralized exchange platforms. So as you can see, we have the Raydium here. Now click on this pair link. What you need to do here after that, click on trade on Raydium. So after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds. I will just disconnect the wallet here. Now what you need to do here first, just connect your wallet. For that, I will use the Bybit wallet. Now after that, first I will just log into my wallets. After that, click on confirm. Now what you need to do, if you don't find the token here, now go back to the token official website, the official page on CoinMarketCap. Now copy the token address from here, and remember this token address is under the Solana network. Go back to Raydium, click here, make sure to select the Solana as a network here. Now paste the token address. As you can see, this is not click on it. So as you can see, now we have the token here. After that, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. So after that, type how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you receive the token. After that, make sure to read all of this information here and click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on Raydium. So this is how to buy Trump token on Raydium. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.